Hey, welcome to another product review from Medical Gear Outfitters. I want to bring your attention to this guy right here. I've used it an absolute ton. It is a pair of stainless steel tweezers with a magnifier. I've used this ton to get splinters out of my fingers, out of my wife's fingers, out of the kids' feet. It has worked fantastic. And it's stainless steel, so it cleans up super easy. It's a little small item, but can make a big difference in an emergency with a splinter in a kid's foot. You know what kind I'm talking about. Kids screaming their head off. But this works great for things like that. So I just want to bring it to your attention. I think it's a great tool to add to your first aid kit. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.